Good evening, students. Welcome back to the class. In last class, you have studied on the topic factors affecting the soil formation. So today, we are going to study on the topics perishing soil and conservation of soil. Students, did you know what is the meaning of perishing? Perishing means killing. So here, perishing soil means killing the soil or soil gets depleted. As you all know that roots of the trees which hold the soil like a net. But the man is killing the soil by felling these trees and tilling the land for cultivation and other purposes. So let's see how the soil gets depleted. Soil gets depleted due to various human activities. They are deforestation, destruction of hills, unscientific agricultural activities, dumping of non-degradable materials, using agricultural land for other purposes, draining wastewater into soil, and overgrazing. Let's see each of them one by one. First one, deforestation. Deforestation means cutting of trees or clearing the forest area. This causes loosening of soil and reduce the water holding capacity of the soil. Second one, destructions of hills. Hills were destructed for construction and quarrying activities. Quarrying activities means extracting the minerals or rocks from the hills. Third one, unscientific agricultural activities. For example, overuse of chemical fertilizers which cause damage to fertility of the soil. Fourth one, use of agricultural land for non-agricultural purposes. For example, construction of buildings over agricultural lands. Fifth one, dumping of non-degradable materials to soil. For example, dumping of plastic causes soil pollution. Sixth one, draining wastewater into soil on a large scale, which causes soil pollution and also affect to underground water table. Seventh one, overgrazing. Overgrazing reduces the water holding capacity of soil and reduce the soil fertility. Okay students, so these are the human activities which kills the soil. Let's conserve the soil. What is soil conservation? Soil conservation means protection of soil from soil erosion. There are many ways in which we can conserve soil. First one, check deforestation. It means avoid cutting of trees. Planting new trees in an area where there is no tree cover is called afforestation. Second one, crop rotation. Crop rotation means cultivation of different crops at a place in different seasons, which benefits reduce soil erosion, reduce soil pollution, improve soil fertility. Third one, terrace farming. Terrace farming refers cutting hill slopes into steps or terraces for farming activities, which reduce soil erosion on the hill slopes. Fourth one, construction of check dams. Check dam is a small dam constructed across a water channel to lower the velocity of flow. It reduces soil erosion, retain the water. This water is used for human activities and other purposes. So students, did you know about International Soil Day? The United Nations Organization observed the 5th December as the World Soil Day. World Soil Day is celebrated with the aim to create awareness about the importance of soil. Theme of International Soil Day 2019 is Stop Soil Erosion, save our future. So students, let's summarize today's topics. Perishing soil means killing soil or depleting soil. Soil depleted by human activities. They are deforestation, destruction of hills, unscientific agricultural activities, dumping of non-degradable materials, using agricultural land for other purposes, draining wastewater into soil, and overgrazing. Soil conservation. It means protecting soil from soil erosion. Soil conservation methods are check deforestation, crop rotation, terrace farming, and construction of check dams. At last, we have studied International Soil Day. Okay, students, hope you that you have understood about the topic perishing soil and conservation of soil. Read your textbook thoroughly, and if you have any doubt, you can ask. Be happy and safe at your home. See you in the next class. Thank you.